In this video, we're going to show you how to sell social media management services using Vendasta and why it's the perfect platform for managing and growing your clients' social media presence. Stick with us till the end because you'll also get access to an exclusive offer to try Vendasta for free. Vendasta is an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses offer digital marketing services, and one of the standout features is its ability to streamline social media management. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to scale your agency, Vendasta provides the tools to help you sell social media management services effectively. First, let's talk about the simplicity. Vendasta makes it incredibly easy to manage multiple clients from one central dashboard. You can quickly handle everything from posting content, scheduling, and responding to messages, all while keeping track of performance metrics. This allows you to provide professional level service to your clients without the need for separate tools or platforms. Next, Vendasta's white label solution is key. When you offer social media management services, you want to present your brand to clients, not the softwares. Vendasta allows you to rebrand the platform with your own logo, colors, and branding, which helps you establish trust and authority with your clients as their go-to marketing partner. The third thing to know is that Vendasta offers social media reports that are ready to be shared with your clients. You don't have to waste time building custom reports. Instead, you can quickly generate and deliver high-quality reports that show exactly how well their social media efforts are performing. Next up, Vendasta comes with built-in tools to help you easily create and schedule posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. It's all about automation. You can set up posts in advance, saving you tons of time and ensuring that your clients' accounts remain active even when you're not working on them every day. Another great feature is its social media listening tool. Vendasta allows you to monitor mentions of your clients' brands or keywords on social media, giving you valuable insights into what's being said and helping you respond quickly to any concerns or opportunities that arise. The fifth thing to note is Vendasta's marketplace. This feature allows you to expand your service offerings beyond social media management. From SEO to reputation management, you can offer a full suite of services that will make your business a one-stop shop for all your clients' digital marketing needs. This can be especially useful for upselling and cross-selling other services. Lastly, Vendasta offers an amazing customer support system. Whether you're just starting with social media management or you're an experienced marketer, their support team is available to help you troubleshoot or guide you through using their features. Now, here's the best part. You can get started with Vendasta completely for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've secured an exclusive bonus for you, an extended free trial so you can explore everything Vendasta has to offer without any risk. If you want to offer high-quality social media management services and grow your client base, Vendasta is the tool you need. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, you'll be able to deliver great results to your clients and scale your business in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that link below to get started with your free trial and take your social media management services to the next level with Vendasta.